This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Low maintenance piece of heaven to enjoy the finer things in life. This unique mountain home has beautiful hickory floors, and tile in the baths, kitchen and laundry room. Spacious breakfast bar can easily seat 6 people. The greatroom has a corner vented gas log fireplace with thermostate controlled remote, and 2 sets of doors leading to the large screen porch where you can enjoy nature and the seasonal mountain views. The master bedroom also has doors leading to the screen porch. The hall bathroom also has direct access to the guest room, allowing for more privacy. There's also a detached 2-car garage that has been partitioned for more storage. Vinyl siding and composite front entry porch. Low maintenance property and private. Only minutes to downtown Murphy, casino, shopping, hiking, etc. For more information, review the details below.